Hi students, I hope you are doing well at home. Now we are going to learn another video regarding to the nuclei. This is our third video, third part. So where we are going to study about alpha, beta and gamma particle. Commonly it is named as alpha ray, beta ray, gamma ray also. So here we will see some characteristics of alpha particle, beta particle and gamma particle. We have three particles. So alpha means they have a positive charge. They behave like a proton. So first point is mass of alpha particle is a 4 times of hydrogen atoms. 4 times of hydrogen atoms. Mass of alpha particle is 4 times of hydrogen atom, or it is equal to the mass of helium atom. If it will be the 4 times of hydrogen atom or equal to the mass of helium atom. As I mentioned earlier that alpha particle carries unit positive charge, means alpha particle will be always positive. Then third point is that alpha particles from a source are emitted with different velocity. If alpha particle is there, they will imitate different velocities. Okay. So now the very important point is that the mass of alpha particle is generally 6.6 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilogram. So these are the four characteristics or properties regarding to the alpha particle or alpha rays. Now we will see about beta particle. Beta particle carries a different charge from alpha particle. It is like behave like electron. Beta particle have a negative charge. So the mass of beta particle is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 13 kilogram. And the velocity of beta particle are from the source is not constant. It is different. Okay, here is velocity will not constant. So that is our beta particle or beta rays. This is carries negative charge. Mass of beta particle is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31, and the velocities from beta particle are from the source is not constant. Now we will see about gamma particles. Gamma particles or gamma ray, we can see the value of E upon m rays is not 0. E upon m means electron or mass is the value of E upon rays is 0. So gamma particle carries no charge. That means it is neutral, or it behave like a neutrons. So if particle have a no charge, so it has no mass also. Gamma particle have no mass, and gamma particle have a very less wavelength, very short wavelength. So the gamma particle is the particle which has no charge, which has no mass. Gamma particle have very short wavelength. Thank you. Now the students will see some basics law of radioactive decay. Then we will see alpha decay, beta decay and gamma decay. Some law are there for related to the radioactive decay. First, that is the disintegration of radioactive nucleus is random. Disintegration means separation of radioactive nucleus is random. Second point is that during decay, two particles never emitted simultaneously. That means one particle will emit on one instant of time. That means during decay, two particles never emitted simultaneously. So third point, atom does not emit more than one particle, more than one alpha particle or more than one beta particle. That means atoms does not emit more than one alpha particle in one time or more than one beta particle. Then the decay constant is generally denoted by this formula lambda n minus lambda n equal to dn upon dt. Now the lambda shows that decay constant. So you can try to study, you can learn related topics by the book and other things. Thank you and God bless you.